Hey everyone, I'm Sarah Miller and welcome back to Tech Future Insights. Everything I'm sharing today is my personal opinion based on real 2026 AI trends and conversations in the developer community. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. You already know Midjourney crushed Shutterstock. Now the exact same thing is happening to website builders. The drag and drop and even early AI site builders you're using today, most users are quietly switching to vibe coding. Just describe what you want in plain English, and tools like Cursor or Claude build real, ownable code that actually lasts. No monthly platform fees, no lock-in, full control, scales forever. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 10 website builders that are getting heavily disrupted in 2026. Card.co. Simple one-page sites, fast for landing pages. Until now. Why it's being replaced. One prompt in Cursor or v0.dev gives you the exact same or better responsive one-pager with custom animations, forms, and even basic backend. Exported as clean code you own forever. Real talk from 2026 communities. AI and vibe coding will make Card obsolete if it doesn't evolve fast. Time and money wasted. Hours tweaking limited blocks plus yearly renewal. Replaced by Cursor plus Next.js and Tailwind. One prompt, full control, deploy free on Vercel. Number 9, Framer. Beautiful interactive sites with AI features. Great for designers. Why it's being replaced. Framer's AI is still inside their platform. Vibe coding in Cursor lets you prompt build a Framer-style animated landing page with GSAP-level scroll effects, but export clean React, and you get production code without Framer's limits or subscription. Many agencies in 2026 still love Framer for quick client previews, but pros are moving to full code for zero lock-in. Replaced by Cursor plus Next.js plus Framer Motion open source. You keep the beauty, drop the platform fees. Number 8, Webflow. Pro no-code with CMS and animations. Adding tons of AI in 2026. Why it's being replaced. Even with Webflow's new AI, you're still locked into their hosting and visual editor limits for complex logic. Vibe coding builds the exact same or more advanced sites with real databases, full SEO control, and infinite scaling, all in code you own. Webflow is fighting hard, but developers report 2026 projects now start in Cursor instead, replaced by Cursor plus Next.js plus Supabase. Cleaner, faster, cheaper long-term. Number 7, Squarespace. Gorgeous templates, great for creatives. Why it's being replaced. Beautiful but rigid. Vibe coding, make a Squarespace-style portfolio, but with dynamic pricing calculator and Stripe checkout. Done in minutes with full custom code. No more template limitations. Replaced by Cursor plus Next.js plus Tailwind. Same polish, zero restrictions. Number 6, Wix including Wix AI, drag and drop king with strong AI site generator. Why it's being replaced. Wix AI is fast for starters, but scaling means expensive upgrades and lock-in. One vibe coding session in Bolt.new or Cursor gives you exportable React code that runs anywhere cheaper and faster. Replaced by Cursor plus Vercel. Full ownership from day one. Number 5, Bubble.io. Powerful no-code for web apps. Why it's being replaced. Scaling gets slow and crazy expensive. Forums are full of "Did I just kill no code?" discussions. Vibe coding builds the same complex apps with real code. Faster, cheaper, no performance issues. Replaced by Cursor plus Next.js plus Supabase or Flutter for mobile. Real software, not a black box. Number 4, Glider Softer. Airtable connected web apps. Why it's being replaced. Great for simple dashboards, but limited logic. Prompt Cursor. Build a Glide-style client portal connected to my database with role-based access. Full secure app in clean code. Replaced by Cursor plus Next.js plus PostgreSQL or Supabase. Scales to thousands of users without extra fees. Number 3, WordPress plus Elementor or 10 Web AI. Still huge, but bloated. Why it's being replaced. Plugins slow everything down, security headaches. Vibe coding creates faster, lighter, more secure sites with zero plugin bloat. Replaced by Cursor plus Next.js Modern. Blazing fast, no monthly plugin costs. Number 2, Lovable.dev or Bolt. New early AI builders. Super fast prompt to app? Why they're being replaced? Amazing for MVPs. But the code is often messy, and you lose control later. Pure vibe coding in Cursor or Claude Code gives cleaner, maintainable architecture from the start. These tools are the bridge. Most serious builders are jumping straight to full Cursor now, replaced by Cursor plus foundational frameworks. The real endgame. Number 1, Shopify, including Shopify Magic AI. The biggest one, e-commerce giant. Why it's being heavily disrupted. Even with all their 2026 AI updates, Sidekick, Agentic Commerce, you still pay transaction fees 0.5 to 2%. Limited customization for advanced features, and you don't own the code. Vibe coding, build a Shopify-level store with AI recommendations. Stripe, abandoned cart, dark mode, multi-currency, full custom Next.js store, live in under an hour. Zero fees on your own hosting. Shopify is adapting amazingly and still perfect for beginners. But thousands of merchants and devs in 2026 are migrating advanced stores to ownable code, replaced by lasts forever. Cursor plus Next.js plus Stripe plus Versal plus Tailwind. You keep 100% of revenue, full design freedom, scales to millions. This is the biggest shift since the iPhone. Don't get stuck paying for tools that are being outpaced. I'm Sarah Miller. See you in the next one, where we kill 10 image generators with mid-journey alternatives, or whatever you want next in this series. Stay ahead, own your code, build the future,